Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss more about the adjectives. Words that are used to modify a noun or pronoun are called adjectives. An adjective may describe, identify, or quantify nouns or pronouns. So, for this, you must know what is a noun. What is a noun? A noun is a word that contains person, place, thing, animal, or an idea. Let's now take some examples. Taj Mahal is a beautiful place. Here, we are describing the place Taj Mahal with the word beautiful. So, we know that beautiful is an adjective. Let's take one more example. I got a scary dream. Here, we are describing the dream with the word scary, which means scary is a word that is used here to describe or modify the word dream. Let's now learn classification of adjectives. We can classify adjectives into several types based on their function. Some such types are adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, demonstrative adjectives, possessive adjectives, and interrogative adjectives. We shall now learn about the adjectives of quality. An adjective of quality describes the kind, quality, or characteristic of a noun or pronoun. Words like beautiful, cute, silly, tall, annoying, loud, and nice are all descriptive adjectives, right? These adjectives add information and qualities to the words they are modifying. They answer the question, what kind? Flowers have a smell is just stating a fact, and it has no adjectives to describe what the flowers or their smell are like. The beautiful flowers have a nice smell gives us a lot more information with two descriptive adjectives. Let us look into one more example. I have a fast car. The word fast is describing an attribute of the car. I am hungry. The word hungry is providing information about the subject. Let's now understand adjectives of quantity. An adjective of quantity describes how much of a thing is meant. It answers the question how much. Some, all, many, enough, any, much, etc. are some of the adjectives of quantity. Let us understand this with some examples. I have enough money. How much money do you have? I have enough money. The crow drank some water. How much water did the crow drink? Some. I ate sufficient rice today. How much rice did you eat today? Sufficient. Now we are going to see the adjectives of number. An adjective of number shows how many persons or things are meant. It answers the question how many. Few, several, two, 5, second, fifth, etc. are some of the adjectives of number. Adjectives of number can be classified into definite numeral adjectives, indefinite numeral adjectives, and distributive adjectives. Let's now learn one by one. Definite numeral adjectives. They answer the question how many with an exact number. Let's understand this with examples. Our school has 4 computer labs. How many computer labs? 4. So we got an exact number. She has 4 apples. How many apples? 4. Now we are going to see the next classification of adjectives of number, that is indefinite numeral adjectives. These answer the question how many but not with an exact number. There are many students in the line. From this sentence we get the answer for how many. There are many students, right? But we don't have an exact number. So this type of sentences are known as indefinite numeral adjectives. Let's see one more example. He gave me all the coins. How many coins? All the coins, right? So all is the adjective and it comes under indefinite numeral adjectives. There are some mangoes in the basket. In this sentence also we get the answer for how many. How many mangoes? Some mangoes, but there is no exact number. Now we are going to see what is distributive adjectives. They talk about each one of a number. These are either, neither, each and every. Let's understand this with one example. Every man stood at attention as they hoisted the national flag. When we use distributive adjectives, for example, in this sentence we have each, right? So it tells about each and every person. So it talks about each one of a number. Every student should respect teachers. Here in this sentence also we know it's about each and every student in the class. So it tells about each one of a number. Let's now learn what is demonstrative adjectives. A demonstrative adjective describes noun or pronoun. This, that, these and those are the demonstrative adjectives. This used to refer to a singular noun close to you, and that used to refer to a singular noun far from you. These used to refer to a plural noun close to you, and those used to refer to a plural noun far from you. Let's understand this with examples. This dress looks good. Here we are describing the dress with the word this. So this is demonstrative adjective. And now let's take one more example. These flowers are beautiful. Here in this sentence too we are describing the flowers with the word these. So these is demonstrative adjective. Possessive adjective. A possessive adjective shows belonging. It answers the question whose. His, her, its, my, our, their and your are some possessive adjectives. Let's now see some examples here. These are my pictures. Whose pictures? My. So my is a possessive adjective. His shirt is blue. Whose shirt? His shirt. My cat is there on the table. Whose cat? My cat. Have you been driving their car? Whose car? Their car. So these words are known as a possessive adjectives. Interrogative adjectives. These adjectives are used to ask questions. The interrogative words like which, what and whose are used for interrogative adjectives. And when do we use this interrogative word which? When asked to make a choice between options. And what? Asked to make choice in general. And whose? Ask who something belong to. For example, Which phone do you use? Whose car is this? Which ice cream do you prefer? Which road leads to Delhi?